Welcome to lesson 10. Today we are making focaccia. 410 grams of water and a little bit of nutmeg, which is optional, a teaspoon of dry active yeast, and then we're going to be adding our bread flour, about 480 grams of bread flour, and we're going to mix it up and of course add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is a high hydration dough, and so mix it with a wooden spoon, a spatula, whatever you have to mix it up. And keep going till all the flour is hydrated. And as usual, I will have the recipe, instructions, and step-by-step process down in the description. Once this is all mixed up, we are going to put it in the refrigerator overnight. And this is the next day, and look at your dough. The dough is nice and relaxed, bubbly. Now, with focaccia, you have to be olive oil friendly. So you're going to put some olive oil in your pan, spread it around, and then you're going to toss your dough into the pan. Now, I like my focaccia thin, so I'm using a larger pan to achieve that. If you want thick focaccia, then get a smaller pan so your focaccia will be thick like a bread. After you let the focaccia rest a little bit, it's easier to spread it around in the pan. So you're going to spread it. Use the olive oil in the pan to help your fingertips to spread it out. I am using one hand so you can see what I'm doing. And these are my toppings. I have some green onions, chives, and rosemary. I picked these from my garden. And I'm going to be washing them, chopping them up, and putting them on my focaccia. You can absolutely put any toppings you want on yours. Now we dimple up the focaccia. Stick your hands in some oil and make dimples throughout your focaccia so your fingers don't stick. And I'm spreading my toppings on top. I also made some garlic oil, which I spread on top just before I bake it. Now my garlic is crushed garlic in olive oil. You can use garlic powder if you don't have fresh garlic. And here we are. This beautiful focaccia getting ready to be baked at 425 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. You have to keep an eye on it. And here I'm adding red pepper flakes. I forgot. You can use black pepper or white pepper or no pepper. It's all up to you. And here it is, straight out of the oven, hot and sizzling. It smells so good. It's cooled down enough to handle. Let's cut it up and enjoy it. Let's see what it looks like inside. Now, don't be in a hurry to fast forward your bread bakes. That's what overnight process is about. If you don't have time, you're rushing, just put it in the refrigerator. Then when you come back, You can even come back the next day, the day after, and work on it. Don't rush it. Give your breads flavor. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Absolutely delicious. I hope you find this as delicious as I found mine. Come back for lesson 11, where we're going to be making a giant pizza meat pie. Until next time, bon appetit!